Hi, 皆さん、こんにちは。Joy です。Welcome back. I'm here to share a new series focusing on Hiragana. If you've enjoyed my katakana practice series, I hope you'll find this one useful for your studies as well. This series is made for anyone who wants to practice Hiragana in a simple, low-pressure way. We'll focus on using the characters through repetition, listening, and mini quizzes. Nothing overwhelming. If you've been looking for a place to finally start practicing Hiragana, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Before we start our reps, here are a few reasons why practicing Hiragana is such a powerful step in your Japanese journey. Hiragana is the foundation of reading and writing Japanese. It helps you pronounce words the way they're meant to sound. It trains your brain to think in Japanese sounds instead of English ones. And it lets you start using real Japanese resources much earlier than you might expect. So get comfortable, grab something to take notes with, and let's get started. Before we learn the T row, let's warm up using a flashcard. Read each one out loud before I pronounce them. A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Great. Now let's get into today's focus. Say each one out loud if you're comfortable. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Here's what they look like side by side. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Let's start with a listening quiz. I'll say one sound and you choose the correct hiragana. Ta, 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 chi, 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 te, te, te. Next, find the character that does not belong to the T row. That's right, ka does not belong in the T row. Good. So does not belong to the T row. Awesome. She does not belong to the T row. That's right. A is the vowel, so it's not a part of the T row. Now let's read real words that use vowels, K row, S row, and T row. Try to read them before I reveal the pronunciation. Te, sato, 外北近い Now let's match pictures to hiragana words. I'll show you an image and 2 hiragana options. Choose the correct one. Kasa 聞く時計月机 Great work today. You reviewed vowels, the K row, the S row, and learned the full T row. You're building strong foundations. Keep going. Next up, let's focus on the N row. If you're someone who wants a bit more guided practice, whether you're studying for school, preparing for life in Japan, or simply love the language but don't have many chances to practice, I support learners with goals like yours. You can find the link in the description to get started. That's all for now. Stay curious, keep practicing. Until next time. またね. Bye bye.